Avocado and condensed milk may seem a strange combination, but these two ingredients pair surprisingly well, creating delicious, rich, and creamy desserts that could become your new favorite comfort food. Here is how to make this creamy avocado dessert using avocado and condensed milk, also known as Vietnamese Avocado Smoothie. This delicious drink is rich and creamy in flavor and is super easy to make. To make this Vietnamese avocado smoothie recipe, you will need 2 ripe peeled avocados, about 1 cup of ice cubes, about 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Cover and blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If the consistency is a bit too thick for your taste, add a dash of milk to achieve the desired consistency. This deliciously refreshing avocado smoothie is not the only thing you can do with avocado and condensed milk. Check out these other 7 clever avocados and condensed milk recipes with amazingly delicious results. I have left the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.